Today I'm gonna open some Microsoft Point pack for packs. I can only open one because I have so much at the moment, but I will when I get some in, and then once I get more viewers, that's when I can buy a new camera. So I have to use my phone, and then I'll get some Microsoft Points so I can buy some packs and buy some more episodes for different games that I like, and then things that all the fans want. Okay. Yes, that is Eunice Spellhander. I like him. He's a good player, and I don't know what pack I can open. See, I have 120. 73 points I can get out of him. Looks like I can only get 100 FIFA points, but a pack's a pack. Actually, I'm going to buy a gold upgrade pack. People say you don't get much rare stuff in it, but I don't care. So, it's been on here for days. Been there for ages, and it's like it's been forcing me to get it. And that. Didn't get anyone like proper good, but you know. I've got some people who I can sell. Well, I'm making a French team, so I'm making a French team. I'm gonna put all these together. I don't care what formation they'll be in. I don't care about it. I just want the French players who are hidden levels. Well, I just got about 3k, so I'm happy with that. Well, it was still I bought today. It wasn't that much, but you know, it's better than having nothing. But I got some coins, and then I will still do some ultimate team. Yeah, I will start doing some ultimate team things and that. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this video today for the packs and that. I know it wasn't proper good because I couldn't open them anymore, but you know, it was better than nothing, I guess. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and it will all be in the description. I've already said quite a lot of times now, and you know, just don't forget, man. So I guess I'll see you guys later if you watch my videos, obviously. And so next video will be me going to wait a minute. Me going into Division 1. I'm in Division 2, and I kind of got rid of all my things. That's why I'm got such a great team. Oh wait, actually, while I'm here, I'm not going yet. I'm just gonna buy a pack. I know these ones aren't I know these ones aren't the greatest, but you know, I'm getting something, so I'm getting some stuff in the pack. seriously, why do you put crap players? Not look at him. It's like he's just shits himself. And it's just like, oh my god, literally it's about to fall out. But weird looking players and they still look demented. But you know, that's the thing about FIFA. It's the best bit. It's the best bit about FIFA. They look like they're having a shit. So, guys, oh wait, I think we can open. No, I think we can open bronze pack. That's another one. You know, let's open pack so you guys get a bit more. Oh my god, I'm so. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I guess I got some stuff in it. So, you know, Uncle gets revenge. Oh, actually. So, that is it for today, and I will be using my team next time. So, see you guys.